Let's dive into a slice of sunshine with my Super Lemony Bundt cake. I start by juicing a large lemon, which yields about 1/3 cup of fresh lemon juice. We're going to add that to the cake and the icing. My base for this cake is a Betty Crocker Super Moist Lemon Cake Mix. Then I add in a small box of lemon instant pudding. This combination will give you a super moist cake that's bursting with zesty lemon flavor. Next, add in the wet ingredients with some of that fresh lemon juice and blend it with a hand mixer, scraping the sides of the bowl as needed. The thing I love about this recipe is that every bite delivers a bright and refreshing citrusy punch that's perfect for lemon lovers. And the recipe is straightforward with minimal prep work. It's pretty much a doctored box cake mix that anyone can create. The full recipe is available on ChynaBsweets.com and is linked in the description box of this video. Once the batter is ready, pour it into a prepared bundt pan. I prepare my pan with my homemade cake goop, but you can use Baker's Joy or the traditional oil and flour. Then tap it on the counter for a few times to remove the air bubbles and place into a preheated oven until it's golden brown, just like this. I perform the toothpick test to make sure my cake is done. And then I perform the flip test to make sure I grease my pan properly. Look at that golden brown lemony perfection. Now while the cake is cooling, I make my icing, which is simple too. It's just powdered sugar, melted butter, fresh lemon juice, vanilla extract, and lemon zest. If you find your icing is a little too thick, add in hot water a little at a time until it gets to be the consistency that you prefer. Now I drizzle it over the top of my cake to add that perfect sweet and tangy finish. My family absolutely loves this icing, and this batch yields enough for them, and I usually add in the rest to the well of the bundt cake. Now you're ready to slice and enjoy. If this lemony masterpiece brightens your day, I'd love to hear about it. Like this video and drop a comment below with your thoughts, questions, or any creative twist you've tried. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Stay sweet.